So today I'm going to be installing a wafer light in place of this recess fixture that is just seen better days. This was one of the old ones. Now this one here has its own switch, which I know is off, but I'm going to double check it with my meter. And not going to turn off the breaker for this one. So let me check this real quick and then we'll start taking it apart. Check this individual socket. There's a pin on the bottom there and the outer ring, and that's where you want to put your leads. I'm going to see if I can get a camera angle on that. Put one prong there and one prong here. Nothing. We'll turn on the power. Now with this new wafer light, I don't need all of this stuff here. Let's see if we can figure out how to get this out. So these old recess fixtures had like thermal overloads that's inside the ceiling, and the new LED fixtures use such little electricity, you don't need these things. They're just going to be potential problems in the future. I was able to unclip the front of the panel here and undo the wire nut connections and the Romex connector that has a little screw on it in order to get this thing out so that I could work on the fixture. There we go. We took out that. So here is what we're getting rid of. Okay, so our new wafer light, which is available on Amazon. This is also a great time to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Looks like we got a little gasket, a little template to drill if you need to drill. And I got the black framed one because I thought the black frames would kind of match the old black ones. Okay, so looks like it's got a little access panel here. Oh, look at that. It even comes with little wire connectors. Very nice. So I think I'm going to knock out one of these in the back here. One of these connector slots, and then we'll put the wire in and we'll just clip them in with those clips. So yeah, these things have little slots on there. You could put a screwdriver in. It was a little bit annoying to get out. I thought it was going to be easier, but I ended up just hitting it with a needle nose and the little tab came out. So you want to make sure that you put the wire in a connector. If it's BX cable, armored cable like this, it has to have a little red wire shield in it, and then you just screw these things in place. So it comes with these really nice little clips. We're just going to push these things in here. And we don't have a ground wire on this. It's a BX conduit. If you have Romex wire, you'd want to connect the ground. But all this is grounded through the sleeve. Okay, now everything's connected. Let's test it. There we go, looking good. So we'll go ahead and close this up and throw it in the ceiling and clip it in. And it also has a rocker switch on it to select the spectrum, but I think we're going to leave it in the middle at 3000. Looks good. Okay, we are just a tiny fraction of a bit too small, so I'm going to just go with my drywall saw and sort of make this a little bit bigger here. Okay, well there you have it. The wafer light is in. It just has two little clips there. That part's super easy. I did have to trim it a tiny bit. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button, like the video, leave a comment. I'll leave a link in the description or on my Amazon store if you want to pick up one of these lights for yourself.